Come test drive the 2024 Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the Trailblazer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.